Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to connect Vantage on Tradingview. Vantage refers to Vantage Markets, an online broker where we can trade financial markets like forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and contracts for difference, or CFD in short. Vantage acts as an intermediary between us and the market. It is not an exchange itself. We do not trade directly with Vantage. Instead, we use their platform or connect with charting software. If you are new to this, do not worry. In this tutorial, we will explain everything clearly and simply. First, open your browser, then go to tradingview.com. Once you are on this page, log into your account. After logging in, go to Products. Under Products, you will see Supercharts. Click the Supercharts option. Once you are on the Supercharts page, you will see some charts and volume information. Now, to link Vantage, go to the upper right corner and look for the Trade option. Click Trade. Click this, and on Trade with your broker, a list will appear. Since we are looking for Vantage, click here to find your broker. Type Vantage, double-click it, and click Connect. We will be redirected to their page. Fill out the form with your email and password, then connect. Once both are connected, we can use Vantage. Vantage lets us execute trades, buy and sell forex, indices, commodities, and CFDs. We can place market, limit, and stop orders. We also get access to the market. Vantage acts as a middleman between us and the financial markets, providing pricing, liquidity, and leverage. You can also connect your Vantage to MT4 or MT5. Instead of just watching charts on TradingView, Vantage will help you. That is it. We have now learned how to use Vantage in TradingView. By analyzing volume and specific price levels, we can better understand where the market finds value.